Well, hello there. I am going to attempt to make a bracelet for you out of copper wire. Now, I am using 18 gauge copper wire. The tools I'll be needing is my nippers, my cork, and you know I did a video on the cork earlier. I will also be using my trusty little tool. In fact, this is a new tool. It helps to straighten the wire out, and it will also help to flatten the wire in certain areas as well. I saw a video that looked very, very simple to help you make a bracelet, and I thought I would attempt it. So let's see what I can do. So what I did this morning is I actually started the very tip of the bracelet because I wanted to already have it ready. So this is what the beginning stages of the bracelet looks like. I'm going to pull the cork off so you can see how it looks like, what I've already prepared for you. I've taken the 4 wires and I just twisted them together like this. Just take all 4 and just twist them, and there you go. And then I just took my other new tool, which is another flattener, which this is what I'll be using the most throughout this video, is this flattener. It's wider than this actual one that I use on a daily basis. And this one right here is a flattener too, which I just showed you not too long ago. But this also straightens up your wire, which I will be using this one as well too. But this one I will use the most. I'm going to put my cork back on my wire. And as I stated earlier, I am right-handed, so I tighten that up. Now, I'm going to make 5 twists in the middle of my set of wires. So you will take the middle set right here. Make sure your wires are sticking out evenly. Take your middle set like this, and then you will make 5 twists. Actually, you can make however many twists you want. I'm just going to make 5 twists. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, how your twists land, and this is really important, on this side, you'll take this side over because you're going to meet the wire that's up, and then you're always going to alternate. So whatever wire is up, you alternate, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So in order to make your rounds even and make it work correctly, make sure you take this and round it as I've done, and you're going to round this as well. And then you're going to take this set of wires right here and go under, and you're going to round that off as well too. This is where your flat side wire to twist on the inside. So it's always going to be that outside wire, and this is where this comes in, because what you're going to do is make sure that you can see your work. So once again, you're going to twist. You can do my 5 twists again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it's hard to do 5. So, make sure that this is, you can see your work straight. Make sure this side is straight as well, because you still want to be able to see that that outside wire is out there. And once again, you're going to, whatever was on the underneath on this side is now going to be over on this side. So once again, round it out and go over. And bear with me, because actually this is my first time doing this type of video, and I'm going to still round it off. But I think you should actually understand what it is that I'm doing. And that is how you do this type of bracelet. And I am going to show you what a finished bracelet actually looks like in just a moment. No, I am not an expert at this. And yes, I do plan to make these a little bit neater and nicer, but this is just something I just learned today. And I just thought I wanted to share you what I learned today, because this was actually so enlightening to me and so fun, and just made me feel so good about learning something new. Yes, I'm just happy. Now, I'm done playing around with this. I'll work on this piece later, because I really want to show you what I did today and my finished piece that I did earlier. This is my finished piece that I did earlier. So I want you to know that even though I learned today, I have a finished piece, a finished product. And I am so very happy and so very excited that I did it. So what